In this lesson, we are going to do like reverse or backwards distributing. So kind of imagine that this is the answer and you're trying to think of the question. So some number outside the parentheses, when you multiply it by both things inside the parentheses, would give you this. So basically to do that, you have to figure out a common factor from both numbers. So what could you divide 3 by and also 9 by? And you can divide them both by 3. 3x divided by 3 would be the 1x right here. And then 9 divided by 3 would be 3, which gives us this next number here. All right, so for number 2 here, 6x minus 54, what could we divide both of these numbers by? We have two options. We could divide them both by 3 or both by 6. We want to choose the bigger number or the greatest common factor. So since we can divide them both by 6, that will be the number outside the parentheses. So 6x divided by 6 would be 1x. And I could just put x for that. And then 54 divided by 6 is 9. And then I'm going to keep that subtraction symbol. I could also imagine it's a negative, and negative 54 divided by 6 would be negative 9. All right, so for this next one here, I could divide them both by 3. I could divide them both by 9. 9 would probably be the larger of the numbers. So let's go with 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9, so it's going to be 9x. And 36 divided by 9 is 4, so plus 4.